non-stop on the stand. So yeah, it's been great, very positive.
So more smiles for them?
More smiles, we're smiling, yeah.
So how is the bosses of belting, how have they fared in 2026?
Say that again,
The
sorry?
bosses of belting.
No, the giants of belting. It's been a good year. It's been a good year. You know, we have a facility in Kentucky in America as well as our Osur operation here and in the UK where we're headquartered. So all across the group, it's been a positive year. Business is good.
Okay, so coming into the exhibition, what were your expectations? Were you looking at something big, or what have your ambitions been for
For me, there's a couple of ambitions. One was to look for new opportunities, and certainly on that front, we've had a lot of very positive conversations with new potential customers. So I'm excited about what that might hold for us in the future. And then it's meeting old friends, the relationships that you have, and meeting contacts I haven't seen for a while, and that was very positive.
So what kind of conversations have these been? What is the nature of the inquiries that you're hearing?
Yeah, well, apart from our traditional products, which are the conveyor belts and rubber parts for the original equipment manufacturers, the OEMs, there's also, we have the world's fastest replacement belting system, our zip clip product. So I think more and more there's a focus in the Indian market for reducing downtime of equipment. We save cost and time when the machine goes down in the field, they quickly replace the belt. So with a lot of inquiries for our replacement belt system.
Okay, what do you have here? New from your stable?
The zip clip, that replacement belt that I just mentioned is not something that we have sold much of or done much business in India, but we feel like this is the innovation for this market to make sure that we reduce downtime. So the zip clip product, I'm looking at sustainability within the materials in our belting, is something we've been focused on.
What are the reactions been to this product?
It's very positive. People see the benefits, the USPs of the product, the saving time and reducing cost.
So Chris, do you see a growing empathy for these kind of products here?
100%. Has to be. People don't want to have to wait on service teams. They want to have their machines up and running because time equals money, and we want to help solve that problem. So it makes sense, and I think there's more and more of a focus as India grows that they can't stop, and we want to make sure that we have the products that keep materials moving for the market.
So tell us about the operations here in India. Has there been any expansion or investments lined up?
Yeah, I mean, over the last 2 years, we've been a lot of investment in new equipment, new cutting-edge CNC technology for cutting rubber and plastic parts. So we have a machine. We're plans to buy another machine for that, and we're also wanting to double the size of our production facility within the next 2 to 3 years.
Here in Hosur?
In Hosur, yeah. So we've earmarked some land opposite our factory so that we can double our production footprint.
Okay, that's really, is there a timeline for this?
We hope that within the next 12 months that we will have that facility up and running. So 12 to 18 months, I'd imagine, we'll have that in operation.
Any particular project or projects here in India where you see some kind of growing opportunity for
new opportunities? Yeah, well, as I said, that the aftermarket is a big growth target for us, as well as recycling. I see it being a really, really big growth opportunity for lots of companies, including ourselves, because turning waste into resource is going to be the key challenge globally, and we want to be at the front of that, and we have products that will help carry recycled material.
How has business been in Europe and across?
Generally, in the last 12 months, it's been good. I think in the last 3 years, since the world opened up again after COVID, it's been a very sharp incline of business for us and for a lot in our industry. See maybe a little bit of a flattening out for the next year. There's a lot of political reasons, I think, for that, with elections and things. But I see only an upward trend over the next 5 years, especially when we're considering the whole recycling sector.
Your views on Excon as a brand, is is the largest in South Asia, in our part of the world. So you have had an experience of participating in the exhibition previously also. So tell us about how do you consider this as a brand for the product, taking the product forward, or probably
The Excon brand?
yeah.
Yeah, it's a great place to meet a lot of people all at once that are important decision makers, influencers, whether that's head design or sourcing specialists or operations managers. So this is a great place to come and meet the right people, all over the space of 3 to 4 days. So yeah, it's a great place to showcase what we do, but equally make those relationships. It's absolutely key to how we do business, is to meet people, see them face to
Can you
face.
talk of the benefits that have accrued to you by participating in this show?
Yeah, I mean, we've suppose this is our maybe third show where we've exhibited, and certainly we've met contacts that have led to long-term business partnerships now, where we're with maybe 2 or 3 key customers that we met here first. Absolutely, yeah. There's a lot for us to go after. I just going to this
And what's